Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Pamela and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious egg stew. And my ingredients for today are eggs, tomatoes, salt, curry powder, cooking oil, tomato paste, coriander and onions. Now guys, you take the eggs. These are the eggs. Add some little salt. After that, I stir the eggs. We stir it until it is fine. My eggs are ready. Take my pan, put it on the cooker, I switch it on. I add some little cooking oil. This is my oil. That the cooking oil will go around the pan. Then I wait for some time. So my cooking oil is ready. I take my eggs, I stir a bit, then I pour it. Use my spoon to make sure my egg is like a pan. Turn the egg like this. Make sure the heat is too little. You can turn the egg to see whether it is ready. Then you turn the egg upside down. You turn the egg to see whether it is ready. You roll the egg like this. Golden brown. My egg is ready. You switch off the fire. Next step, I took the cooking pan. I put my fire on. I add some little cooking oil. I waited for 2 minutes. Like this. I can add some These are my onions. We stir the onions until it is golden brown. Let it until it is golden brown. Stir it. My onions are almost ready. They are ready. Next step, you can add the tomatoes. These are blended tomatoes. You add. Stir it. We put some little salt. We start the paste. Stir it. In my case, when you mix the curry powder, I like mixing curry powder with water first before I put. So I take my spoon, I mix the curry powder with water. We stir a bit. My curry powder is ready. Then I pour it. Continue stirring the paste. Now the next step, I put tomato paste. Just add tomato paste. And we use this spoon. Stir a bit. Till the paste is all through. Now I take my spoon. I cut my fried eggs with a spoon like this. You cut it into small pieces. You cut the eggs into small pieces. First of all, you reduce the heat a little. You start the paste for it not to stuck. I continue cutting my egg. So now my egg is ready. You pour it on this paste. You stir the egg. Stir the egg a little. The last thing you add coriander. This is my coriander. Add it. Stir the egg. Stir the egg. And now my egg stew is ready. You can switch off the fire. And welcome my daughter to taste it. Taste. I'm going to give my first daughter to taste it.
It's so tasty.